Welcome to AppJunkie. AppJunkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be how to edit your voice on TikTok, new voice effects, Trickster and SpongeBob. Before we get started, make sure you have the latest version of the TikTok app on your phone. To do this, go to your App Store and update the app if necessary. Once you have the latest version of the app, go ahead and open it up. To access the SpongeBob voice effect, you'll need to create a new video by tapping on the plus sign in the bottom center of the screen. Record a video of yourself and then tap on the tick button to enter the video editing screen. On this screen, you'll have two options for adding the SpongeBob voice effect to your video. The first option is to use the text-to-speech feature. To do this, simply type in some text and then tap on the Trickster voice effect in the text-to-speech menu. The second option is to record yourself speaking and then apply the Trickster voice effect in the audio editing menu. To do this, tap on the audio editing option at the bottom right of the screen and then tap on the voice effects option. Scroll through the list of available effects until you find Trickster and then tap on it to select it. Once you've chosen the Trickster voice effect, you'll be able to hear yourself sounding like SpongeBob in the preview of your video. When you're satisfied with the result, tap on the Done button to save your changes and share your edited video on TikTok. And that's all there is to it. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you had fun using the Trickster voice app effect to sound like SpongeBob on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AppJunkie if you found this video useful, and we'll see you in the next one.